Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Insp token. Ticker symbol is INSP. Now this token recently got a few different central exchange listings, very popular project right now with a lot of listings. And on December 6th, it is getting a very big central exchange listing on a very big central exchange with over 10 million users. We're going to go over the information on the Insp token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 6th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search INSP, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So December 6th, 10 o'clock UTC time. Now, Insp is the pulse of Web3, a cutting-edge Layer 2 solution that empowers users with the X, the Twitter platform, and other social ecosystems with indispensable tools and insights for navigating the dynamic realms of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Now, this project is on the Ethereum blockchain. According to their Etherscan, they only have 18 holders so far. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. So I saw a whole bunch of different central exchange listing announcements on their Twitter. So it's safe to say, since they only have 18 holders, that tomorrow, December 6th, is most likely their initial listing date for all of these different central exchanges, including Mexc Global. So I saw on their webpage here, they're going to be listed on Bybit, that's one of them, and Bitget, and then Mexc Global as well, and maybe others. So, brand new project, little to no holders so far. And yeah, and then their Twitter you could follow. They're doing insanely well on their Twitter. 212,000 Twitter followers. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find that. Has a link to their webpage right on the Twitter there, inspect.xyz. So that'll take you where you need to go. They have gold verified checkmark, almost 4,000 tweets. And they also have a Telegram at InspectXYZ hashtag, it says, is their Telegram. And they also have a full white paper, inspect.gitbook.io. So tons of information you could find all over the place. On their webpage, top right-hand corner, you could launch the application. You could download it. It says download it from Google Chrome there. The Layer 2 built for X. Instantly turn X to a Web3 platform. Elevate your crypto journey with Inspect's all-in-one extension and web app. You can learn more about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, market insights, streamlined actions. It says rated 5 stars. So most likely if you check in the App Store, it's got a good rating there. Discover the fusion of social sentiments and NFTs. Unite social sentiments and NFTs with Insp. Explore real-time social data and NFT analytics to uncover hidden gems in the world of crypto, art, and collectibles. Elevate your NFT journey today. Pure, first-hand, and real-time data from the source, personalized for you. Gain a competitive edge in the ever-evolving world of crypto and NFTs with our advanced, customized, multi-platform analytics terminal with a seamless integration of data from all your favorite platforms. You'll unlock unparalleled insights that will empower you to make well-informed and strategic decisions. Crypto like never before. With Insp, explore the crypto universe like never before. Our powerful tools and data-driven analytics enable you to navigate trends, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions. Track market trends, monitor favorite tokens, and enjoy a seamless experience. Discover the fusion of social sentiments and NFTs. Level up your trading, DeFi, and NFT decisions. Empower your crypto experience effortlessly. So first, you could download the extension. Get started now. Install Insp extension for the ultimate layer 2 on top of X. Connect your X account. Seamlessly connect your X account for unlocking the features. And then start exploring. You've unlocked the ultimate layer 2 for X. Begin your crypto exploration now. It says, time to claim your edge. Unlock the full potential of the Insp ecosystem. So discover real-time analytics and comprehensive insights for crypto, NFTs, and DeFi with the user-friendly Insp web app. Stay ahead of the curve, explore market trends, and make informed decisions about data-driven tools. Experience crypto like never before. Insp API. So they have lots of users, it says, total users. Insp has exponential user adoption. Join the ship. And they have a roadmap, product update. So basically, you know, listing the protocol, Insp ads, Insp Pro release, Insp groups protocol, Insp transact, the mobile app, powered by the INSP token. So unlock a world of possibilities with Insp Pro, where premium features provide you with an edge in the ever-evolving crypto and NFT landscape. So listing protocol streamlines project tokens or NFT listings on Insp, gaining exposure to one of the largest user bases in the industry. Listing protocol gives projects an incomparable distribution of core events and project progress. And then the Insp Ads is a targeted advertising platform within the Insp ecosystem. Its platform has over 40,000 assets within the industry to promote their products or services to over 500,000 plus users. They also have Learn to Earn Academy, Insp Transacts, and Insp Groups. So check this all out. They have a bunch of socials at the bottom of their webpage too, inspect.xyz. You can find that linked on the Twitter right here. Check out the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.